I wanted to take a moment and make you a quick video tour of our campus, beginning with this area where the buses come in the mornings and leave in the afternoon. This is our communication and IT department, which houses not only our programs but also our career center where students can get help with job placement after graduation. We have our applied cybersecurity class and our network support services class. And in here we have digital printing technology and printing graphic communications. Our next classroom is the digital media multimedia design classroom, where students not only learn some web, they also do sound and video production as well as some photography. This is our actual photography classroom, where students learn big studio, small studio, and Photoshop and InDesign. Next area that I will be going to will be the cafeteria and the professional culinary arts and hospitality classroom. In the cafeteria, this is where our students produce food and serve it to our public. Under normal conditions, at this time it is closed. This is our professional kitchen, where our professional culinary arts and hospitality students master their craft. The next area is our medical department, where students study laboratory technology, medical assisting, optometric assisting, pharmacy technician, EKG tech, patient care tech, or practical nursing. The first classroom area is the pharmacy tech lab, where students have an opportunity to learn how to dispense medications and learn a little compounding. The next area is our simulation lab area, where students have an opportunity to work in a hospital-like setting and to do some high-tech simulations using our computer dummies. In our dental laboratory technology class, students do not touch patients. This is the area of dental where you learn to fabricate prosthetics. In our optometric assisting class, not only do students learn how to aid the optometrist in the office environment, but they also learn how to schedule and book appointments and to maintain the clients in the space, as well as the dispensary where they size and test out glasses for patients. Our next building is our high school building, and as you'll see, we have arrows to indicate that you must travel in one direction so that we are following social distancing guidelines. You will also notice in these classrooms that you will see the markings to indicate that students will stay 6 feet apart.
Hello everyone, this is Mr. Tipping, welcoming you to one of our math classrooms here at McFatterTech High School. I look forward to and hope to see you all here very soon.
In this classroom, you can better see how we have marked the blue X's to indicate students are not to sit next to each other so that we can keep everyone safe. And as we leave the high school building, go into the industrial building. Our first program within here is the drafting program.
Mr. Rodriguez, and I'm the drafting instructor here at McFatter Technical College and High School. This is my classroom. As you can tell, we are devoid of computers and so on because we are virtual online and all my students have their computers. What we do here in this class is we basically teach the language that's used to communicate how to build or how to manufacture any item that you use or you live in or you drive through and so on.
There are a variety of other programs within this building, including a couple of high school classrooms, but we have auto collision, marine service technology, electricity, I'm going to the welding classroom. And across the parking lot to our supplemental areas. Students are required to take PE in 9th and 10th grade at McFatterTech, so 2 of the classrooms are over here. The first one is the gym.
What's up, guys? This is Coach Sylvanik coming to you live from McFatter's Gymnasium. This is where we'll be conducting our exercises and getting into decent shape. I look forward to seeing you guys here in class and working out. Have a good day.
And this is our weight room. Next stop across this parking lot will be our TV production classroom, which is housed in the Bird School's Beacon building. As you'll see, they learn all aspects of production. So that's us.